Hey guys, as a lot of you already know, Google updated their system, and right now I'm not sure even if it's a bug or that's how it's supposed to work. But you will face issues like it doesn't allow you to redeem your gift card or like use the balance in your Google Play account. So here's a solution I could find, but it won't work right now on my phone. I will tell you why. But for most of people, this is working. So please just try this and don't skip just because I said it doesn't work on my phone. I will tell you why it doesn't. So first you need an old phone. From old phone, I mean like it has to be built within 1 or 2 years ago, and because if it's new, then you will have issues. Because my phone is completely new, and I will have issues. I will tell you why. I will tell you why. And okay, so first go to apps and then go to manage apps. Then find Google Play Store. Okay, here you want to go to storage and then clear data, clear cache and user data and everything. Once you've done that, I want you to go back and then uninstall updates. You can see it right here. On older phones, it's just, I think it's disabled if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think so. So click on disable, and it will ask you if you want to delete the updates and revert back to factory version. Click yes. That's really important. One thing before doing every step that I told you already, use the VPN. I'm not sure which VPN should I suggest because there are a lot of VPNs, but ExpressVPN is really good. For example, if you're outside the US and you want to use US gift card, then you have to use US VPN. I don't know, UK VPN. It's just your country. So make sure your VPN is online and then just do these steps. So once you cleared the data and then like remove the updates, your Google Play will revert back to the older versions. My current version is the latest one, 25.9.19-21. This is the final build, like this is the final version. Even if I revert back, it won't go to a version which allows me to buy stuff on this phone. So you need an older phone to be able to make it work. Don't do something crazy. You don't have to do something crazy. I've seen videos just people doing absolutely crazy things. No, you don't have to do that. You just need to go to Google Play Store in application info and then just clear data and just remove the updates. Once you've done that, you have around, let's say, it depends on your internet speed, but the Google Play, once you do that and you, on all the phones, once you hit disable, it will ask you to remove the updates. Do that and then try to enable it. Once you enable the Google Play, you will have around 1 or 2 minutes because Google Play will start updating itself. So you need to act fast, really fast, because if it's updated to the latest version, you can do it again. So once you've done this, I want you to go to your application, wherever you want to make the payment, and buy whatever you want really fast because it depends on your internet speed, as I said. But usually it's a 1 or 2 minute time window. So try to act fast, and this method is working for a lot of people. But if you have a new phone like me, you won't be able to do it. And the only way I can think of is using something like Nox Player, which is like you can use Android on your PC or laptop, whatever. uh, and you can gain root access there and just remove your Google Play and install an old version. That's the only thing I can think of, but on newer phones, sadly, there is no way to do that. So please try this method, and if it works, then good for you. And if it doesn't, I'm sure something is wrong with your phone, like me. From something wrong, I mean, it's new. So good luck with it.